Alright guys, getting started. Just roll a continuous. I got Oscar behind me, like I said before. And we're gonna do a trail I've never done. I'm gonna lead it blind. Or we might change once we get there. I'm just chilling. This is my first run of the day, so I'm gonna get a nice warm up. Wasn't expecting to ride today. I was actually gonna take the day off, but I saw in my group there were a few people going out, and you know, it talked me into it. A little wet today. It rained last night on us. No man, straight over is the way to go. Oh, found the mud. I found the mud. Woo! So much fun.
Oh, we did the wrong line on that. Might get the right pull off.
Heck yeah. Nice job, man.
That was awesome.
You were keeping up too.
Yeah. I got to.
I wasn't flying at first, but we ended up going.
And then your big toe was like, oh, there we go.
We ended up starting to go fast.
That was awesome.
Woo.
That was a good. We took it all the way down, which was good.
No way you didn't enjoy that, guys. I'll see you on the next piece. All right, we're gonna do the pump track. Kind of starts all three of these trails on this side, so we'll be doing the pump track first, and then we're gonna go down the middle, which is Mousetrap. Whoa, this is the nose. Hold on. This is the nose. When the hell's Mouse?
No.
Mousetrap must go to this one.
And then one more left.
Because that's the nose. And then there's another left. Okay.
Yeah.
It's been a while since I've been down this one.
It should be very close, but if it's not close, then you have to go on that one.
All right, well, we'll just go slow till we get there. Yeah, here it is. There's a left and a right.
There we go. Yep, that's the one.
Okay.
Whoop, whoop, whoop. About to get rowdy there.
Uh-oh. And I am blind on this one, so. Woo! Oh my. Oh, where do you go from here? Where do you go? Okay, I see it. Sorry, dude.
Oh, look at that. There you go.
I didn't know where to go.
I know. That's no Mousetrap.
Holy crap, dude. I don't know. My pants are falling off. What the heck? Make sure my... Yeah, it's on the way. This is super steep. It's hard to get back on your bike once you drop off of it. Holy cow. That was crazy. I think I actually have done this one before and they called it Fun House, and I never did it again because I hated it.
But I still got it. I did. And that's what's called Mousetrap.
Woo! That was crazy. It was fun, but it was crazy. You dropped what? Oh, you hit a rock. Everything okay? Where in the hell do you go? It's not clear where you go sometimes. Oh! I didn't even know that was a drop. I just went. Yeah! That was sick. I'm like, I'm just gonna roll over that rock. Oh crap, it's a drop. Let's do it. Tree. Scrub that one. Now I understand what a scrub actually is. I can do them. They're not that hard. I didn't get any push into that. I pushed after it. That was horrible. Oh yeah, that was so fun. Oh, that was beautiful. That was a very, very fun trail. I don't know if I've done it before or not, but that was a great. That was a great trail.
Oh man.
Did you have fun?
Oh heck yeah.
We were flying, dude. All right, guys. Hope you've enjoyed. Don't forget to subscribe.
Heck yeah.
Get this content, get the adventures, like so everybody else can see it, and comment and talk to me.